Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Vicki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do product reviews and makeup looks. So if you enjoy that type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I love you guys. As always, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. As you can see, today we have our March 2020 Thrift-A-Bag. So this is one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox and share with you guys. And if I'm not mistaken, it's one of your favorites to see. So let's get it open and see what we got for Thrift-A-Bag for March. And yeah. I will put a link down below to get you over to Thrift-A-Bag, as well as a promo code to save you $5 off your first order. All right, so we have it open and this is what we see. So there is always a little paper on top that tells us about the items in our box for each month, as well as a gift bag, because if one of the 3 items in here isn't really your taste, you can gift a bag, which I think is super cute. I love that touch. All right, so I do want to let you guys know that this is a one-woman show. One lady doing all of this work. She is phenomenal. She busts her butt. I don't know how she does it, but she does, and she is amazing. I mean, she finds most of the time brand new bags, and if they aren't brand new, you'd never know they were pre-owned, because she has a way to clean them and just get them in immaculate condition. So I don't know how she does it. She's a Wonder Woman, I'm telling you. But just to give you guys an idea, you can see brands like Coach, Vera Bradley, Michael Kors, DKNY, Macys, Kate Spade, Dooney and Bourke, Liz Claiborne, Tommy Hilfiger, Steve Madden, Nine West. So those are some, and Bessie Johnson. So you're not going to see like designer brands like Louis Vuitton or anything, but you will see name brand. So keep that in mind. Don't expect to receive some type of, Louis Vuitton or Hermes bag. That's not going to happen. But it started as a hobby for her, and I know that she, loves it. She started selling handbags on eBay, and she is a power seller on eBay, so yay, thumbs up for that. But you have the option to fill out a profile, and she will do her best to try and tailor that, the box every month to your profile, but it's not guaranteed. Part of a subscription box is that it is, it has that element of surprise. So just know that she will do her best, but if it can't happen that month that every bag is exactly what you're looking for, that's why she gives you that little gift bag. So you can gift a bag to someone who may like it. And you can expect to receive purses, totes, lunch totes, wallets, wristlets, crossbody bags, all kinds of bags. It's not just purses. It could be various styles of purses, and then, like I said, also wallets. I've received a Kate Spade lunch tote before. I mean, it's endless. So I have rambled. Let's get in here and see what we got. So the first thing I am pulling out is from Calvin Klein, and it is brand new. It has the tags on it. She individually wraps each item, and this says Calvin Klein Signature Monogram Floral Bifold Wallets. And this was originally $108. The price is right here on it. And this is so cute, especially with spring coming up. That is an adorable wallet. Like, that is so cute. So, and then like I said, it's got the tag on it. And I can see original price, $108. So when we open it up, you can see 2 little pouches here, like for change and whatnot. Even still has the little keep it fresh pouch. So there is that. And then the back side looks like this. So plain. It's like party in the front, business in the back. Open it up. And this is where you can keep your ID. There are some card slots. You've got a little section here. and a little section here and here, and then it opens this way, so if you want to keep some cash or something in there, you can. I think this is absolutely adorable. I love this. I love this side. I really love this side, especially for spring. I mean, just that pop of color, that beautiful flower. It is stunning. I love this. So there's that. And then our next item, ooh, I recognize it already. So this is from Coach. And this is one of their crossbody bags. So this is the Coach Signature Jacquard Leather Trim Crossbody Bag. So it is, okay, this is a prime example because you see this is a lighter color bag. It's beige, it's got white on it. You guys, do you see a mark? Not one mark. Like, I mean, nothing. I mean, the edges aren't even starting to like wear at all. So you have the immaculately clean pouch here on the front. There is another immaculately clean pouch on the back. You have your signature little Coach tag here. And then you open it and it is immaculate inside as well. And it does have a pocket here, so you could do that. This is the type of purse, in my opinion, that is great. Like if you're going like, say like to the outlets, to go shopping, something like that. Something you can just do like the crossover and, you know, keep your essentials in here. Because obviously this purse is not going to hold a bunch of stuff. So this, for me as a mom, is I'm gonna grab this when I just need a few things, the essentials, and something light if I know I'm going to be doing things. And this is just beautiful and stunning, and I love it so much. So yes, she's killing it. All right. And also, can we point out that the strap is like a fabric and there's not a single mark or stain anywhere on it, and that's a cream color. So just saying, she's good at what she does. All right, so the final item in here is rather large, and this, wow, this is like really large. This is like a big old bag. This is like tote. Yeah, this is definitely like a tote. She had it all nicely folded. So here it is. It's a very, very pretty color, and it stands flat. It's just from where she had it folded in the bag. So here is this, and this is the Macys 12 NYC Large Patent Everyday Shoppers Tote. So yeah, I was saying, this is a tote. This would not be a bag you would typically carry around, you know. Now maybe put a laptop or something in here, I could see that. Or, you know, like it says, a shopper tote. So you could take this, you know, to the market or somewhere. Absolutely no scuffs, no anything, no marks, nothing inside is stained. There is a zipper pouch right here inside. Yeah, immaculate. So we got this beautiful, bright, fun spring and summer colored tote. Love it. We got the gorgeous, brand new Calvin Klein wallet and the gorgeous, just stunning, gorgeous, and immaculate Coach crossbody. So like I said, I will put the link to Thrift-A-Bag down below in the description, as well as that promo code. Definitely check it out. You also have the option with Thrift-A-Bag to go bi-monthly and even quarterly now. So I think that is fantastic as well. So let me know your thoughts down below. If you get Thrift-A-Bag, what did you get this month? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.